So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look at this look, girl. Look at this look. A lot of glitter going on. Don't you see this? This is absolutely amazing. Look at this lip and look at these eyes. I'm gonna guide you through this tutorial, so I hope you enjoy it. Again, this look is brought to you by the Toofaced Clover palette. Like this, it has a bunch of colorful colors, so enjoy the tutorial. Please subscribe, leave your lovely comments, honeybees, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully pretty soon. Enjoy this tutorial, guys. So I don't know what's that. I might find a way to put that together. So I was talking about that stuff. Okay, so let me just start with the makeup tutorial. So right now I'm just gonna use this. So I'm gonna put on my face. See? This is just a little bit of correcting concealer. Nothing that fancy. It's not a cream or nothing. Okay, just a concealer. So right now this, and I'm gonna use this one, which is a yellowish tone on my eyelid. Yeah, I hate when weird things like that because I have to figure out like some, maybe like equipment or something, or maybe an app to put this all the videos together. Okay, because that's the matter more than putting fancy stuff. That all the things that I was saying in this video was in it. So I'm just pressing with my finger because girl, this is the gas perfect tool. This one is just a yellow color from the Clover little palette, so I'm just pressing to have enough. So once I have enough yellowish, this one is Good Boy. That's how it's called from this Clover Toofaced palette. So I'm looking for this thing right here. This one just a BH Cosmetics. 119 is the number. I don't know what's that number for, but this one is Daddy Loves Me, which has a little heart and it's like a red color. And this is one I'm gonna apply in the crease, just like this. Nothing fancy, something just simple like this. I'm trying to blend all together, just like this. Okay, and you have enough color for the whole entire year. Okay, not just for this look, but for the whole entire year. Okay, so that's that. For highlights, sometimes I just cut out a little bit of steps to not make this video any longer. But if you wonder why I'm using this palette to highlight on the brow bone, something simple, nothing fancy. This color in the middle over here, which is called a Rough You, which is a nice, like a pinky tone highlight. So this is what I'm gonna apply. I did this like a half circle or whatever, like this in this area, and it's freaking amazing. Okay, so that's what I'm using to highlight. This is like to clean everything nice, and that's that. And this one is a Shiny Cosmetics, if you ever heard of that. And this tip over here is great, and I'm just gonna use Full Baby or Fleur Baby, whatever it is, to fill out my brows. So it's something simple like this. Okay, girl, nothing out of the ordinary. I just filling up my brows like this, girl. Okay, once we have that done, making sure everything looks neat and similar to this eye, and I already did. Okay, I want everything to look nicely and the same. Okay, once we have done that, I already did my contour and blush in both of my sides, so that's something that I don't need to worry about. This one's Mega Wear from Wet n Wild, and it's what I'm gonna put in my eyelashes. It's just a black mascara, nothing fancy, okay guys, just a black little mascara, okay. And you know this little fat with black that I did in this eye, that's exactly what we're going to show you in this eye. And this one, by the way, this one's I Rough You, and the other one that I used to fill out my brows, it is Floor Baby. Now I'm gonna use Woof, which is this black color from the palette, and nothing fancy. This was really colorful and really pigmented, so we're just gonna do like kind of a B motion just in this area and fill out this area. This one sometimes I can go away like without not even blending, but actually this one I had to blend. Since this was a really nice fluffy brush, is what I'm gonna use to blend just like this, girl, okay. This one is really pigmented, so that's why I'm just trying to blend with the fluffy. This one I used to apply, this is what I'm using to blend with the fluffy, you know, for fluffy side of the brush, and like that. And I can go, what, well, this one is not the color is this one, Good Baby, and just apply a little bit of more just to make sure that the black just stay in the place that I want it to stay at, and everything is nice and dandy. Okay, I already did the blush and the contour. That's something that is already done, girl. But for that, I used this steady, nothing fancy. This one, which is a nice light color, because all the two are too damn pigmented. And this one's more like a peachy blush, which is the ones that look perfect in my cheeks. For contouring, I went with this bronzer over here, which is a golden bronzer from this Creation Contour Highlight Palette that you can find in justhots.com. For kind of highlight, I only use this white highlighter. You can use whichever white highlight you have in your collections. And right now, I'm gonna apply the Sleepy. And I bet I'm gonna do some accent in this. So again, with this glitter, again with this is my favorite color from the glitter, and just want to use it out. I just gonna apply some of the accent, okay? In what is sticking? Yeah, see, just that, nothing fancy, girls. Just like that, applying all the freaking things in my face. So I'm just gonna, yeah, just all over, girl, just all over, just having fun. And this side over here, girl, the same thing. Wait, things are getting on my face. See, I'm just gonna apply some of this area. Area, everything is nice and dandy. So that too, I'm gonna apply here, okay, to do something extra to my face with that same color. I'm gonna apply here as well. Look, all this diamond light stuff that I'm doing in my face is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna apply more here, see, and I guess it's that same, because less is much, or whatever it is. So like that and like this, and a little bit in my nose, because this is the fancy makeup, so everything we can do. Look how gorgeous this looks. So yeah, I used that one, and this is the one that I used to apply on my face. The Lippy, girl, the Lippy. That's gonna be the cherry on top of this delicious sundae, and this one's a red color. how nice this is. The only bad thing about this celery, it smells pretty nice. It smells great, like shirt on the top of the Sunday girl, but you have to reapply. Okay, I already did review on my channel about this lipstick. If you want to check it out. Okay. I'm gonna be great for pictures after this video. My god. So I think that's great. I think that's enough. Thank you so much for coming by. This is the awesome Vietnam look. Really easy and dandy. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.